he came running towards me, looking at fear in his face, and there was one of the females chasing him, and he ran up a tree and was like this, all scared. But now they get on really, oh, hello.
I think Nicky's nearly at Pizza Express now.
Oh wow.